tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition, we
Even though I feel all this anger because I had such high expectations about that thing or about that person, and I feel angry that it didn't work out, I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I feel all this anger because I had such high expectations for that thing and it just didn't work out, I'm just noticing how this makes me feel. And even though just thinking about how that thing didn't work out, I had such high expectations for it, and I feel really angry, I accept myself anyway. Top of the head, feeling so angry. Eyebrow, I had such high expectations for that. Side of the eye, I had such high expectations for that. Under the eye, and I'm angry that it didn't work out. Under the nose, I had such high expectations for that. Under the mouth, and it just didn't work out. Collarbone, and I feel angry about it now. Under the arm, just feeling so angry because I had such high expectations for it, and it didn't work out. Even though I'm noticing that I was feeling angry before, angry that that thing didn't work out. And now I'm feeling disappointed because I really wanted it to work out. I expected it to work out, and it didn't. And I accept myself in this feeling. And even though I'm feeling disappointed because I really wanted it to work out, I expected it to work out, and it didn't, I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I'm just noticing that I feel all this disappointment when I think about how that thing didn't work out the way I expected it to, the way I wanted it to, and I accept myself and this feeling. Top of the head, this disappointment. Eyebrow, I'm feeling disappointed that it didn't work out. Side of the eye, feeling disappointed because I expected it to work out. Under the eye, I expected it to work out. Under the nose, and I'm disappointed that it didn't. Under the mouth, feeling all this disappointment that it didn't work out. Collarbone, feeling all this disappointment because it didn't work out like I expected. Under the arm, I'm just giving myself permission to feel this disappointment right now. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath. Even though I'm noticing that my disappointment is turning into sadness because I had such high expectations for that thing and it didn't work out, I accept myself anyway. And even though I'm feeling sad because I had such high expectations and didn't work out, I accept myself anyway. And even though that thing didn't work out, I had such high expectations for it. And so I feel all this sadness when I think about it. I accept myself and this feeling. Top of the head, feeling sad. top of the head, feeling sad because I had high expectations. Side of the eye, feeling sad, didn't work out. I had such high expectations. Under the eye, feeling sad. Under the nose, feeling sad because I had such high expectations of it working out and it didn't. Under the mouth, all this sadness. Collarbone, just feeling so sad because I had such high expectations and it didn't work out. Not the way I wanted. Under the arm, and so I'm feeling all this sadness about it now. And I'm just giving myself permission to feel into this. Good. All this sadness. Just feeling all this sadness because it didn't work out the way I expected. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath. And relax. Even though I may still have some anger, disappointment, or sadness about what I expected, about what I wanted to happen, I accept myself in all these feelings. And even though there may still be some more work to do on this, on releasing these expectations of what I wanted to happen, I accept myself and these feelings. And even though I'm noticing that maybe I'm not done holding on to these expectations and all the emotions that come with it, I choose to take all the time I need to release those emotions and those expectations. Top of the head. During this tapping sequence, I noticed that my emotions changed from anger to disappointment to sadness. Under the eye. And I'm open to the idea that maybe those emotions can just transition into nothing. Right? Under the nose. I'm open to the idea that that emotion that transformed from anger to disappointment to sadness can transform into indifference or transform into acceptance. Under the arm. I choose to slowly release my expectations about this situation, about how I wanted it to turn out, and I choose to be at peace with what is, knowing that maybe there's a reason for everything. Maybe everything happens for a reason, and I choose to focus on all that I'm grateful for today. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath and relax.
My sister's here, my cousins too, my brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family.